Energy forecasts suggest that the fuel mix of the next decade will flip from one that's largely thermal to one that is largely renewable. Integrating vast amounts of renewable energy onto the grid presents unique challenges and opportunities. Hi, my name is Abdul Sami Tariq and I'm from GE Digital Technology in Dubai. There's no hotter topic in the industry than cracking the energy storage problem. Energy storage enables the rapid emergence of renewable resources as we move towards a greater energy mix. My adventure to find out about our product solution has brought me to New York, where I'm going to be talking to the energy storage experts in GE and GRC. So let's go find out. Hi, Joanna. Thank you so much for having me here. It's great to come here and learn about all these great technologies that we're working on.
It's my pleasure. I always enjoy showing off our cool technology.
So when we talk about energy storage, we essentially mean batteries, right?
That's correct in this application. Energy storage is actually a very broad term which includes many technologies, but what we're here talking about today is battery technology.
Great, and why is battery technology so important in the current power evolution?
So what's fantastic about today's energy ecosystem is it includes so many renewables, like the solar panels that we're walking next to here today. But the challenges are on days like today when the sun's a little bit slow to come out, you need a little bit of help. And so energy storage helps moderate that and provides power to the grid when the sun's not shining. So the Reservoir, and we're very excited about this technology, really packs 4 megawatt hours of storage into a 20-foot shipping container. And that allows us to do things with it that we couldn't do before. For example, installing it directly into a solar field where you can couple it with solar energy and produce power.
I've never been in a solar field before, so thank you for having me here.
Oh, my pleasure.
Kathleen, thank you so much for meeting me.
My pleasure.
Can you tell us what was the thought process and what was the involvement of your team in building the Reservoir?
Sure. So my team generally does the work to move power, say, from a wind turbine to the power grid or from a solar farm to the power grid. So with the Reservoir, which is effectively moving stored energy from a battery to the power grid, we looked at what type of equipment is most efficient, can move the most power, and how can it be controlled in a way that makes it a good citizen to the power grid and helps us to integrate even more renewables.
Well, that's amazing. So what excites you most about this space?
Really just the whole concept of the Reservoir itself. So taking solar energy, storing that energy when it's in excess and when you can, and then using that for a great purpose later.
Rob, thank you so much for meeting me.
Pleasure.
So does a product like the Reservoir add complexity to the grid?
Actually, it removes complexity from the grid. The grid's a very complicated network, lots of moving parts. Battery energy storage actually can plug in anywhere and help provide reliability, resilience, hybridization with renewables or other types of power plants. So it actually makes the power network more stronger and better.
What excites you the most about it?
So energy storage for me is the next evolution of the system. It's allowing us to put more and more renewables in the system, and that excites me because I am part of a decarbonizing family, if you will, a decarbonizing footprint. And storage really is tailor-made for making that happen. So we'll hybridize it with solar plants, we'll hybridize it with wind plants, or even hybridizing it with natural gas plants, which are helping those gas plants have a longer life, a lower footprint with their emissions, making them better members of the community. A lot of really neat things about storage that excite me.
I've learned a lot on my adventure over here. I've learned that GE is creating the right energy storage solutions to cater to the demands of the market and our customers. In the Middle East, where I come from, and globally, customers want to move to a broader mix of energy sources, and the product that we're developing allows them to exactly do that. So I'm really excited and really proud that we have the vision to look into the future and head towards it.